Okay friends, so we're going to start this video with our first project, and we're going to use 4 of these 5x7 picture frames from Dollar Tree. And I just took everything out of them, so it's just going to be the cardboard backing. Now that is a burlap fabric remnant that I had left over, and I'm just going to glue it to the cardboard backing of the picture frame. And I'm just going to cut it to fit. I'm just going to get it cleaned up a little bit first. So that's the cardboard backing. And now we are just going to put our burlap on it. Just going to make sure it's going to fit though. Do you see the 2 little doggies that keep walking in the background? That's Gracie and Puka. They were going outside playing, but they like to know what's going on, so they're always coming back in and seeing what mommy is doing. So just going to cut it to fit. So we have it glued on it to our backing there. I just glued around the edges, and now I'm just going to trim it up with some scissors. Now I did think about painting this white. I thought about painting the picture frames white, but then I said, you know, it's fall, so I think I'm just going to leave them the natural wood look. I thought it went nice with the burlap, and just showing you, I just glued around the sides there. You don't see any of the glue. And now I'm just going to put them back in. Everything that you saw me do, I did to all 4. And now I'm just going to put them all back into their frames. And I'm going to hot glue the little backing down there. And that's what we have so far. Don't worry about the burlap, it's going to lay down flat here in just a moment. So we have them all done, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue them together, and I'm going to make them look like a window frame. So I got those little leaves there from Hobby Lobby, and they're 40% off. And I love all those colors, all those pretty fall colors, and it's got a little bit of sparkle on it. So I thought this would be fun. So I'm just going to hot glue them right to the burlap, and the glue is going to go through the burlap onto the cardboard backing. And it's going to hold everything in there nice and secure. And it's also going to make the burlap lay down anywhere where it may have been standing up a little bit. It's going to make it all lay down nice and flat now. But the fun thing about this is that I could take the cardboard backings out, guys, and I could paint this either white or red or green for Christmas. So this is a nice versatile craft, because you can, again, you can take the cardboard backings out, and then you'll just have like a little faux window frame, and you can paint it any color you want for the Christmas holidays coming up. So I thought that would be fun to share. So I wanted to give you guys that idea too. So I'm just going to hot glue them together now. Just going to put some glue down the sides there. Just pushing them together nice and tight. And I'm going to do the same with these here. And guys, you can omit the hot glue and you can just use Elmer's glue, and then this would be fun for the kids to do as well. So I have it all turned over now and they're all glued together, but I want to reinforce them. So normally I would have used some popsicle sticks, but I didn't have any on hand. And guys, my nearest Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby is about a half hour away from me. So I just used the cardboard from the little pack that the leaves came in, and that's going to reinforce it just fine. It's going to be perfect. But I thought this was a really nice, high-end looking fall decor idea from Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive. I did get the leaves there from Hobby Lobby, but they were 40% off. So, if you have a wall space or maybe, your entryway table or just somewhere in your home where you just want to add a little bit of fall decor, this would be a really fun craft to do. And again, it's very inexpensive, guys. Under $10. And if you omit the hot glue and just use Elmer's glue, the kids could do this. So this can be child friendly if you omit the hot glue. So I got those Scrabble letter pieces there. I got the whole game, I should say, from Goodwill, and it was only a couple dollars. And I always look for games that have wooden pieces because you can really do a lot when it comes to crafting with them. So I am using the little Scrabble letters today, and it's just going to say, "Hey there, Autumn." And I'm just going to put autumn on there first. I put the T in the middle, and I'm just going to build from that. So I really hope that you guys like this idea. I think it's coming along really nicely. And it didn't take long at all, guys, to do this. This craft was done in about a half hour. So we have our word autumn on. Now I could have just stopped there, but I wanted to make it a little cute and add some more to it. And also these Scrabble letters also help reinforce it as well. And it just makes it even more sturdy, even though they are all hot glued together. And even though we do have the cardboard pieces hot glued to it on the back, adding these little wooden pieces here to the front just reinforces it even more. But I really just like the colors of those leaves, guys. And I saw the sparkles on them, and the sparkles did call to me as well. But if you have any leaves left over from any of your florals, you could have used those as well. So now it just says, "Hey there, Autumn." And I thought that was cute. So that is just some ribbon that I had from Hobby Lobby. A friend actually gave that to me. And so I thought that I would just create a little hanger in case I ever wanted to hang this up. And I just thought the colors on that ribbon was really pretty. So just using the existing hangers that are on the back of the frame there, I'm just going to tie them on and just put a little knot. And that's going to be our little hanger for this. That way we have the option to hang it up if we want. I want to welcome all of our new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I saw that we have some new subscribers in our family, and I thought that was so great. You guys are always welcome here at Holly's Humble Home. I welcome everyone, and I just want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. I hope you guys really like this video, and I just love to give you the idea. So that's our little craft there, guys. We're almost done. I wanted to put that little pine cone on there because I wanted the word autumn to be balanced, because there's 3 letters on the one side of the T and only 2 on the other. And I just wanted this to be nice and balanced. So I just added a little pine cone And now look at that. Our little craft here is done. And look at how cute that turned out, guys. And it was really inexpensive, but I think it looks really nice and cute, and I love that. So I want to share this with you. I did a short on this a couple days ago. That is just a taper candle holder from Dollar Tree. That's the black that it was. I took that spray paint right there and I spray painted it gold. And then the top of it, that is just a drinking glass from Dollar Tree as well. And it's got the pretty leaves all on it. I thought that was so pretty. And I decided to combine these two together with just some epoxy and some hot glue. And I think it looks so high end, guys. And again, you could make 3 of them, 5 of them, or 7. You could have them go all across your mantle. You could have them going down a table for even maybe Thanksgiving. That's how it looks. Look at how pretty that is. I just like to give you guys really nice, inexpensive decor ideas. And look at how pretty our sign turned out. I love that. And I didn't even realize it at first when I was doing this, guys, but the leaves all go together. So now we have this project here, and there's some more leaves. Now my friend gave this to me as well. My friend Wilma, she's very sweet. She gave this to me because we are hosting our children's wedding. Her son and my daughter are getting married in a week. That is my wonderful news. And I'm making lots of decor to go with the wedding. So I will be taking lots of pictures and I'll be showing you guys everything. So just going to take some hot glue. Now, I know you guys have probably seen this type of craft before. Just going to take some hot glue to the bowl. I put the plate on top. The plate and the bowl, they both came from Dollar Tree, but look at how pretty they are, and I think they look really high end. I'm going to incorporate this in the wedding, but for now, I'm just going to decorate it for fall. But I think they look really pretty together, guys. Now, that's a vase that I had on hand. But see how the the twine wrapped around it. It's a little scraggly. So I'm going to take that off and I'm going to replace it with something else. But I really love to take items from Dollar Tree and I love to upcycle them. I love to make them look high end. I love to just, take some inexpensive decor ideas and apply it to items you can find at Dollar Tree. I think that's really fun and I love to upcycle. So that ribbon there that we did get from Hobby Lobby, now my friend Wilma, she gave me that ribbon there too. But I'm going to replace it with this ribbon. I'm going to replace the twine with this ribbon because I just showed you guys all the pretty colors that are in that ribbon, and they all go with the leaves on the plate there. And I had that vase on hand. That vase had been, my daughter brought me flowers one day and it had been in that red vase. So all of this is just tying in really, really nicely. And if you guys ever, go to Goodwill, and you see a vase or, something like this that you can put flowers in, and maybe, it's a little scraggly, maybe the ribbon or the twine on it is beat up, you can always take it home. You can always spray paint it. You can always cut the twine off or any existing ribbon off and just add in something new, and you can really just give it a whole new life, a whole new look for very inexpensive. So I'm just wrapping it around. I started with some hot glue and I just wrapped it around 4 or 5 times. I think that's 5 times and maybe 6. But I'm just going to make a little bow now to go on it. And then I'm just going to hot glue that bow right there to our little vase. And we just gave that little vase a whole new look now, just by taking off the old ribbon embellishment and adding in something new. So thank you guys so much for being here with me today. And again, thank you and welcome to all of our new subscribers. If you think I might be having a little bit of a hard time talking today, guys, it's because I am. I have had a little bit of a frog in my chest here, I think, with the change of the seasons. So please give me some grace, and I thank you for it. But this is how it all turned out. I love this. I love taking, again, items from Dollar Tree, items that you had on hand, combining them and just turning them into something beautiful, just like you see there in front of you guys. I just added in some pine cones, a little pumpkin, a little candle. I put some existing floral picks that I had in my craft stash into that little vase, and we just created something so cute and pretty for so inexpensive. How awesome is that? I love this idea. Thank you, Wilma, for everything. Wilma is a wonderful person. She's going to be a wonderful mother-in-law to my daughter. And I am just really looking forward to this wedding. It's going to be beautiful. And I'm looking forward to sharing it all with you guys as well. That is our sign that we made there, guys. Just a little recap. Thank you so much for being here today. I am so thankful for all of you guys. And once again, thank you to all of our new subscribers. You guys are always welcome here at Holly's Humble Home, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.